As a team leader today in the real estate market, we need to make sure that our branding is crisp, our message is out there correctly, and that the consumers can trust us. More importantly, we need to make sure that we can be found on Google, on Facebook, and all other social media avenues, and that we have the right conversation with the consumers to bring the engagement that we need to grow. So we've been growing massively. We're going to be doing about 50 million this year in sales in Rhode Island. And keep in mind, the average home price here in Rhode Island was around $270,000 to $300,000. That's pretty low compared to some other parts of the country. We're a very small team of 6 agents in total, and we only use Namra Consulting to do all of our SEO work in addition to our video work. I will only recommend Namra Consulting for this. Our business has exploded, and we are seeing 6 times the amount of search engine optimization that we noticed through my Google business area. 6 times that of last year. We just hired Namra over that time period. I know that they're 100% in direct correlation to that. My business is also going up $15 million this year. We did $35 million last year. We are on target to beat $50 million. So you gotta ask yourself, if you wanna grow, and if you wanna spend all the time specializing in something you really don't specialize in, or do you want to take advantage of what these third-party people can do? It's the exact reason why people hire realtors to sell as well. Namra Consulting, 100%. Call me direct if you want any more background on them. Thank you.